Hey guys, in here again. Well, as you can see, I have no ideas of what to do. Like, there's so much stuff I could do. I could play Advanced Warfare. I do have Exo Zombies and all that deal kind of stuff. I could play Diablo 3. I don't know what to do. And I've been really busy lately with school and stuff, but now I'm spring break, I could do more videos. But aside from the burping thing that this guy wanted me to do, I don't really want to do that. So I might do it eventually if I can get 10 subscribers or a new idea, like, of what to do. And you can also go check out my Wattpad thing. Yeah. Wattpad. Yeah. Okay, anyways. Aside from burping, I really don't know what to do, and I really just want a new idea. Sorry, I hurt some. So yeah. See my poster up there. Yeah. That's awesome. There. And spotlight. So yeah, don't really know what to do. So if you guys have any ideas, then just comment them down below. And see you guys later. Peace.